welcome back to the channel. Today going to be working on trying to get the rear diff and the, I think it's called the PPF bar, which is the brace bar that connects from the gearbox to the diff. So we got it, you can see we just have the paint holding the gearbox up at the minute, but once we put the PPF with the diff on, everything would be all connected and it would actually be able to get it rolling. And I have to do some stuff with the Civic, so I want to be able to get this rolling, take it out of the garage and bring in the Civic to do a bit of work. So to be able to get the diff mounted in, we've got these dampener mounts that need to be bolted in, and they're a bit dirty, so I want to clean them up. They are a bit rusty, but they're like 50 each and I didn't want to pay that, so just clean them up with a sandblast. And they're not that really that important anyway. They're more like just like a dampener mounts. It's not really they're not that big of an issue. We also do have other parts that I'll just clean up as well while I'm sanding and blasting everything, and just get them all these little pieces blasted and painted. And then once they're all painted, we can go ahead and mount the diff and get it all ready so we can get the MX-5 off the jack stands. Right, so I got all the pieces sandblasted and then painted. For these, we should have probably got new ones. They're a bit worn, but for now they'll be fine. I didn't really want to spend, I think they're like 40 each, so a bit expensive, but at some point we'll probably change them. But for now, they're just painted, cleaned them up, no rust on them, so they should be fine for now. So for now, I'm going to go ahead, bolt in the mounts for the diff, and then try and bolt the diff in, and then along with the, I think it's called the PPF, the brace bar that goes along from the gearbox to the diff, which you can see for this here, this bar, which goes along from the diff and connects to the gearbox. So I got the PPF all bolted up, just need to tighten the bolt there and then it's good. And we've also bolted up at the gearbox side. So that's pretty much all that was needed to get the MX-5 able to sit on its own, because without the PPF the engine or the gearbox was swaying or would drop. I can just go ahead and put the wheels on, then we can roll it out the garage.